Clean through 1 and 2. Clean through 1 and 2 on the tone. Nice start. I got Randy, Rick, Jimmy, Jason, James, Domino. Watch the front straight. Go high, go high. No reverse, guys. No reverse. Watch out in 2, 2, 2. Rick, Jimmy, James, Randy, Domino, Jason. Battle for the lead. Down the front straight, heading to the back straight. Left. Rick's got it. Jimmy wants it. That green truck and that blue and black Traxxas. All over the back bumper. Oh, comes in a little too hot. It's going to give Rick breathing room. 1.6 seconds that time by. Now 1.5. 130 down, 230 to go. Oh, Rick's going to open up a big lead. Watch the back straight. Watch the back straight. Go low, go low. Rick, James, Domino, Jimmy, Randy, Jason. Rick now with a 2.5 second lead. 2.3 that time by.
2 minutes left.
Halfway there, 2 down, 2 to go. 2.4. Watch out in 3 and 4. Watch out in 3 and 4. Go low, go low, go low. Rick, James, Domino, Randy, Jimmy, Jason. Watch out in 3 and 4. Domino working his way from the back of the pack. He's got second place right in front of him. Not that far from Rick. Watch out in 2. Watch out in 3. Go low. We're clear. Now it's Rick, Domino, Randy, James.
1 minute left.
Watch the back straight. Go low. Watch the back straight. Go low. Battle for the lead. Down the back straight. That green truck, that blue, silver, and black truck.
45 seconds left.
45 seconds. Rick driving a perfect race so far. Watch out in 3. Go high, go high, go high.
30 seconds left.
Rick keeping his nose clean. Holding on that lead with 20 seconds to go.
15 seconds left.
10 seconds. Uh-oh. Rick goes high. Domino's there. He's going to get one more shot at him. What a pass. Domino motoring his way by. Nice run from the back.
The race is completed.
Domino 36.401, 36.404.